Students, already in the last class we have started with this chapter and we are going to continue with this chapter, that is Terrapin's Flying Adventure. So here Terrapin was complaining to everything to everybody. So first was Crow, who came forward and took Terrapin to higher, that is to fly. He took, the Crow has taken, and the next is Vulture has taken. And after that, after Vulture needs to go down, so that time the Hawk came and take him much more higher. Just then King Eagle was his beautiful shiny brown feathers came flying by. "Oh, brother Terrapin, this is not what you call flying in the clouds. Hawk, take him up where he can get a good view of earth," he said. So here, when he was flying with the Hawk, just then the King Eagle, so the King Eagle was a shiny brown feathers, it was a beautiful shiny brown feathers, came by flying. And he told for the Terrapin that this is not what you call flying in the clouds. He told to the Hawk, taking much more higher, where he can see the good view of earth. Who told that? Eagle told that. "Oh no, I will only fly as is good for me." Hawk said, "Why don't you take him?" So when the Eagle told, "Take him high," so that time the Hawk replied that, "So I will only fly as high as is good for me. So you can take him up, more up, okay?" So the next, "Terrapin, get on my back. I will give you a ride you will never forget," King Eagle said. Terrapin was happy. King Eagle has the longest wings and he is the strongest bird. So I will have a comfortable ride, Terrapin thought to himself. So here, when Terrapin was sitting with the Hawk, and King Eagle told that, "Come and sit on my back. I will give you ride which you will not forget in your life." And King Eagle said that. So after saying that, Terrapin was very happy, and King Eagle has the longest wings. So King Eagle has the longest wings and it is also strongest bird. So and he told, "I'll give a comfortable ride through," Terrapin thought to himself. So Terrapin thought that Eagle will be giving a comfortable ride. Up and up and up they went. King Eagle took Terrapin so high he couldn't see any houses below. They had become so small they were almost invisible. So they were flying up and up and up. More up they were flying. And King Eagle took Terrapin so high where he can't see the houses which is in the ground, which is below. So he can't see, who can't see, the Terrapin can't see at all. And they had become so small, the houses had become so small when they are flying in the sky. And some houses were also invisible. Terrapin began to feel scared. "What if I fall? I will crash to pieces on the ground. Vulture will then feast on my tender skin. Horrible!" He shuddered at the thought. So Terrapin began feel very scared when he was going more up. The Eagle was taking him up, right? So that time he was feeling very scared. Who was feeling very scared? The Terrapin. "What if I fall?" He was only thinking that, what if I fall? I'll crash to pieces on the ground. If I fall, I'll crash to pieces on the ground. So that time Vulture will eat me. That Vulture will then feast on my tender skin. What a horrible it is, he was thinking. Who was thinking that? The Terrapin. He shuddered at the thought. So shuddered means trembled with fear or horror. Okay. "Can we please go down, King Eagle? I'm scared, I'm falling." So he requested, the Terrapin requested that, "Can we please go down? I'm falling." But we can go higher. Come, come, just a little higher, King Eagle said softly. So the King Eagle replied when the Terrapin was asking that can we go down? So the king replied, told that, no, we can go higher. Come, come, just little higher we can go. He told that. No, take me down, please. I'm feeling dizzy. Please, Terrapin begged. And when they're going up more, so the Terrapin was begged. So he told that, please take me down. I'm feeling dizzy. But aren't you enjoying the ride? King Eagle asked, a little annoyed with Terrapin. Oh no, I mean yes, he laughed nervously. So the King Eagle asked that, are you not enjoying the ride? He asked. And a little annoyed with Terrapin. Oh no, I mean yes, he laughed nervously. So he was laughing nervously because he was also scared by going up. A little bit higher, then I will swoop down. He he he. King Eagle laughed. So little bit higher we will go and I will swoop down once only. And King Eagle laughed. Just then Terrapin remembered he had a kite winder with strong thread in his pocket. He quickly tied some thread to King Eagle's leg. Then he held on to winder and leaped off King Eagle's back. He let himself down and down and down on the thread till he reached the ground. So here Terrapin remembered that he was having a kite winder with strong thread in his pocket. So in his pocket he was having a kite winder with a strong thread he was having. So he quickly tied some thread to the King Eagle's leg. So the Terrapin tied to the King Eagle's leg. He tied the thread. So then he held onto winder and leaped off King Eagle's back. He let himself down and down on the thread till